First of all, good morning. Hope the speakers are all here, but okay. As I am sure you have all realized by now, we organized the program so that all of us together can hear at least one major talk, a plenary, reflecting on the issues expected to be discussed in each of the topic-oriented panels. We did this because of a firm commitment to the purpose of the conference as an opportunity for the exchange of perspectives across geographical, religious, ideological, and disciplinary boundaries. We see both the study of anti-Semitism and the attempt to eradicate it as requiring a wide coalition. So where better to start than by making sure that some of the important material presented at our conference is shared among the various fields. One has only to take a look at the subjects in this session to see this perspective in action. Our session today will stretch from philosophy, ethics, psychology and education, to the social sciences and to Israel studies. We will see that every one of these fields contributes to our discussion, and that clearly the attempt to deal with modern anti-Semitism cannot proceed without attention to all of these areas. We're happy to have here experts in all these fields, and we'll now proceed to their presentations. Our first presentation will be by Julius Schoeps. Julius H. Schoeps is a political scientist and historian. He studied history, intellectual history, politics, and theater in Erlangen and Berlin, graduated in 1969 with a doctorate and habilitated in 1973. From 1974 to 91, he served as professor of political science and was the founding director of the Solomon Ludwig Steinheim Institute for German Jewish History at the University of Duisburg. From 1991 to 2006, he was professor of modern history with a focus on German Jewish history at the University of Potsdam. Since 1992, he's director of the Moses Mendelssohn Center for European Jewish Studies at the University of Potsdam and has been a visiting professor in New York, Oxford, Seattle, Tel Aviv, and Budapest. He will speak on philosophical hypocrisy and ethical correctness in public discourses on Israel.